Okay, I'm here with my former student, William Murcia. He's at Florida International University. He's getting his master's degree in engineering. William, tell us a little bit about the importance of coding and your experience and what other people have said about coding and, maybe Python and so forth.
First of all, we need to think of what the demands are in the real world.
Yeah.
For mainly what we would do, we would work. So any career in the sciences is going to ask you for the requirement of, or it's going to be a big plus to know how to code, script, or program in any way
Right.
for the sake of what you need to do to get the job done.
Okay.
Now, let me explain that a little bit further. Let's say I'm a scientist, I'm a physicist, and I need to crunch some numbers. I'm not just going to do math on paper as we've been formally taught prior.
Yeah.
And a simple calculator is not going to be enough
Right.
for all the data that I'm gathering day in, day out from my experiments.
Mm.
And I'm going to need something that it is going to take that information, digest it, and be so that I can be able to make graphs, be able to make other plots, represent the data however I need it, so that I can take it and present it and put it into a document, put it into a report, put it into a presentation. It facilitates the use of all that information.
So you're saying coding allows you to do that?
Coding definitely allows you to do that. Languages that perhaps facilitate that are scripting languages like Python, or a script from MATLAB, if you're familiar with Matrix Laboratory, or short MATLAB.
What about Java? What do you think about Java?
Java is good for making apps, probably.
Right. Okay.
I don't really like Java all that much,
Right.
but it's a good introductory.
We
place.
got a current student here that loves Java that will disagree with you, right?
Well, it has a different purpose.
Yeah, right.
Mainly.
Exactly.
I've used Java before to put together a GUI that took an SDK of a fingerprint reader.
Oh wow.
And we got that fingerprint information to store onto an RFID storage card. And then when we used both together, they would read and match and confirm, and then that would open a door.
Okay.
So the GUI and everything and all the SDK was used in Java,
Right.
but really the groundwork of the SDK and everything else is in C or in C++.
Oh, okay.
You need
So-
something low level
Right.
to get to the nitty gritty of the embedded system.
So C++, Java, Python, all very important.
Well, C and C++ are good for programming electronics.
Okay. Okay,
Or
great.
C++ is great for making video games, making game engines,
Right. Right.
etc. Or, in my opinion, things have moved forward and we have a very powerful language called C#.
Oh yeah.
C#, if you can learn C# and master C#, then everything else is child's play.
Okay. Okay.
That's
All
how
right.
I see it.
How has your experience at FIU been so far?
My experience at FIU has been pretty awesome, and
What are your future plans?
my future plans are to first graduate, if I can, during this coming summer, get an internship
Okay, great.
in the radio frequency engineering field.
Okay, very good.
Maybe antenna design or RF circuit design,
Okay.
stuff of that nature.
Okay.
Be it for airline companies or aerospace companies, or there's some stuff in Melbourne, Florida, I think.
Oh yeah. That can be.
Yeah, by Cape Canaveral.
Right.
And there's also military contractors that do civilian work as well. So
Uh-huh.
there's all that good stuff.
Okay, great. Well, listen, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Take care.
Will do.